Building an AI search optimization product has its own set of unique challenges. Not only does it need to have to show people, hey, I believe that this is worth doing. There is an impact. There's a positive net impact. I believe that if I take these actions, they will actually lead to this impact. So the previous version did all of that stuff, and also understand how these things work. The previous version of the tool that we applied last time to YC did all of that stuff. Where it failed was people would take that prospects, look at that, they would go internally and they would look at, hey, who should implement this? And that's where deals would get stuck very often. So what the way we've solved for that is we've basically done this, right? So we've broken down the product into different teams. So the way we got this insight was a lot of teams were buying us during a website migration. They bought the software for during website migration, so they would figure out, okay, what are things that LLMs believe about us, and then based on and need to take a decision, and also so do humans. Then who is the top recommendation for different personas, different criteria? Again, this is a feature unique to us. People used to buy it for that, and not the rest. And then we moved on to content teams and said, hey, how should you create content that is both optimized for SEO and AI search? So we built this entire feature that makes it very easy with a very unique UI. And then we moved down to, hey, like maybe you should do some outreach, show up in citations. We made, I think, the most easy to use, the grouping feature specifically, made this entire thing especially easy to use. And then finally, we've built for brand and legal teams to figure out, hey, where are LLMs lying about you? What can you do better? And again, we build stuff for the PR teams as well. As you create content, as you do the outreach, your visibility and rank should go up. So you get found. This is what this looks like. Your visibility and rank gets tracked here. You can see the same thing month over month. And then again, here you can see, are you being chosen, right? Hence chosenly. So you can see that, hey, are you getting chosen through, okay, for which criteria am I being chosen, how often? And then RLMs lying about you. And we have beautiful integrations with GA4, HubSpot, all of that stuff to show that, hey, is it leading to traffic? What pages are getting the traffic? And we've also built this feature where we can estimate the actual searches that are most likely happening. Now, building this entire tool, I think we've solved for all the challenges I talked about earlier. This tool helps people actually understand how to think about it, tells people exactly which team should look at it, they understand the value of it. Implementing with this tool, companies have seen, like in a week of implementation, agencies saw 100K in net additional revenue. Other clients saw topic clusters and they saw their visibility and traffic increase from those places. There are other companies that have seen the traffic, it was already increasing because of LLM adoption, it just skyrocketed after that. So not only are people using it, it works.